Okay guys, here we are. We're gonna stress test the Yokohama Geolandar ATs here on the 08 WRX STI. This is gonna be quite a test. Look before you, you see ice covered road, and the drone doesn't do it justice. This is a steep incline, so let's hit it. Now let's go down really slowly and see. How about second gear? No, first. Okay, we're in first gear, about 3,000 RPM. I'm not slipping at all. I'm traveling on top of snow packed on ice. Not slipping. I'm gonna hit the brakes a little bit. Okay, we definitely activated the ABS and started skidding. That's obviously not how you drive in the snow. Not bad, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go for another run. And I'm gonna come to a stop on the snow-covered, ice-covered incline right here. This is about the steepest part. Stay away from the tread marks that are already on the road. I come to a complete stop, and I'm gonna kind of gun it here. That's a lot of slipping. That's a lot of fun. Oh gosh. I'm sure we get some pretty awesome looking snow spray there on the rear tire cam. Okay. Geolandar All-Terrains by Yokohama, made in Japan, ladies and gentlemen. Pay a little bit higher price for these. Let's hit the brakes because they are imported. Feels good though. I mean, obviously we're getting ABS. The car is doing its best not to slip, but make no mistake, this is a steep decline, and it's just, it doesn't feel unsafe at all. Like, obviously you don't hit the brakes that hard when you're going down a hill in the snow if you know what you're doing. You want to coast down gradually like this in a low gear. It feels really safe, guys. I can't really find a lower traction environment than this, to be frank. So let me know what you guys think really quick. I'm just gonna show you what these look like. Using my face cam, or my head cam, you can see they barely fit on there, and due to some of the rally racing, rally enthusiast activities I've been doing, there's very little clearance right there, so it's kind of messing up my body kit. Very little clearance in the wheel wells. It rubs a little bit, but these are tough as nail tires, and with a little more work I can fit them better. You know, they're kind of heavy. There's quite a bit of steel reinforcement behind the rubber. I did have to use coilovers to lift the chassis a little bit to fit these in, but overall I would say they're working phenomenally well on this ride. Yeah, you can see I had to downsize the calipers and rotors to fit these 15-inch wheels on there. Oh, I almost forgot about the drone. We gotta land this drone before he runs out of batteries. Let's see, where am I? There. Let's bring it down.